Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 1999 guys. The given question is the number of binary relations on a set with n elements. Okay, so whenever we are talking with respect to relations, so the first thing is understand the question carefully guys. So what did they give in the question? So they gave that there are n elements in a set. Okay, so they are saying there are n elements in a set. Okay, and they are talking with respect to relation, and it is a binary relation, right? Yes. So basically if we are talking about relation, so there should be one set and some other set. In between these two we maintain relations, right? Yes. But in the question they did not specify the other set, right? So whenever they are not specifying the other set, it is indirectly that set to itself. Okay, so then in first set there are n elements, in second set there are n elements, right? Yes. Okay, so in how many possible ways can we arrange them guys, like pairs I mean to say, right? So if there is 1 2 3 here, if there is 1 2 3, so 1 1 1 2 1 3, 2 1 2 2 2 3, 3 1 3 2 3 3. So in that way we can arrange, right? So what is it? It is indirectly n into n, right? That is indirectly n square, right? Yes. So as we know, so now what we are going to do, we are checking some binary relationship or subset pairs, right? Yes. Okay, so basically now among these all possible combinations, so our relation could be anything, right? So if there are n square, so basically there are n square items. So let us take this example only. So here there are total 9 items, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So indirectly any one of them could be available, right? So there could be from all zeros to all ones, right? So all possible combinations will be there. So what are those combinations? So each and every one of them could exist or could not exist. So the chances are 2, right? So indirectly you can directly write it as a 2 power n square guys. So if you want a smaller example, I'll be explaining, so don't worry. So assume that there are only 2 elements in set 1 and 2 elements in set 2. So the possible combinations will be 4, right? So 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. So these 4 guys might be absent. So basically if empty relation could be there. Similarly in a relation only this guy will be there. So in this way 0 0 0 1. So in this way up to 4 ones it could be there, right? Yes. So how many combinations there will be guys? So they are nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is a nothing but 16. So here we will have 16, right? Yes. So in the same way, to convert it into formula, so here how many are there? 4. So it is a nothing but 2 power 4. So in the same way, this is a nothing but a 2 power n square. Got it? Yes. So it's a quite interesting and easy question, guys. The only thing is you should understand the question carefully, and whenever he is not giving clarity in the question, you should assume things. So here he did not say that that is a self relation or anything, right? Yes. So that's the thing which we should understand. Got it? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.